If you're looking for the best CRM for sales teams and debating between Teamgate and Close.io, you're in the right place. Both claim to streamline sales, boost productivity, and close more deals. But which one actually delivers? Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which CRM fits your team's needs, and I'll also share a better alternative that you might not have considered. So, let's get into it. First off, Close.io is designed for inside sales teams. It's built around automation, a power dialer, and deep email integration, ideal for high-volume outreach. But while it's feature-rich, it's also pricey. If you have a small or mid-sized team, the cost can add up quickly. And despite being marketed as user-friendly, some users find the learning curve steeper than expected. Teamgate, on the other hand, focuses more on pipeline management and analytics. It's great for tracking leads, visualizing your sales funnel, and managing customer data. It's also more affordable than Close.io. But the trade-off? It lacks some of the automation power and advanced calling features that Close.io offers, which could slow down high-paced sales teams. Next thing, integrations Closed.io integrates well with tools like Zapier, Zoom, and Slack, but it's not as flexible if you rely on a CRM that plays nicely with a wide range of third-party apps. Teamgate supports integrations too, but it's more limited compared to competitors. If you're using a highly customized tech stack, neither of these might be the perfect fit. The fourth thing, ease of use Closed.io is sleek and powerful, but with great power comes complexity. Teamgate is more straightforward, making it easier for new users to adopt. If your sales team isn't tech-savvy, Teamgate might be the less frustrating option. Final point, customer support and pricing Closed.io has responsive support, but at its higher price point, that's expected. Teamgate is more budget-friendly, but its customer support isn't as fast or hands-on. So, which one is best for sales teams? If you're running a fast-paced inside sales team that relies on automation, Closed.io is the better choice. If you prioritize pipeline tracking and affordability, Teamgate is worth considering, but after testing all of them, I found a better alternative that gives you the best of both worlds: powerful automation, intuitive design, and way more value for your money. To see it in action, check out the free trial in the first link in the description. Plus, by using our link, you'll unlock exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out. Try it now and see the difference for yourself.